Toto jsem dneska udělal. Jsem tady sám zvedl tenhle ten tram a teď se snažím podezdít. Oh shit. Toto je můj setup. I'm taking everything as time lapse. I have to make a small brick pillar under this beam. So this one is ready. It's hardening and there is 1, 2, 3 pillars to be done. But first I have to fill this gap. There is an old beam behind this gap. It will be taken out, this one. So first I have to fill this gap with some trash bricks and then we can make a pillar itself. So I'm going to mix a concrete. It's raining here. It's a storm. Never mind. I like the rain. Dirty as a pig. Yes. Okay. Right now I have to fill only this gap. This one I will let it be because there will be not a pillar above. So let's take it up. I'll take 2 more just to be sure. We have bricks, we have concrete, and we have to fill this gap. Let's bring some water. This is a good consistency if you want to make a higher layer of concrete, as I need right now. Another one. It's ready. This is cool. So I have 2 pillars ready. I will keep this gap because I want to place here some stone later. As you can see, there are 2 gaps here and here. I will put there some piece of wood. Gap is filled. This has survived. Holy moly. So we have two pillars already. There's only 2 left. Okay, third pillar is finished. There is 1, 2, 3. And now we are going to support this one and we will be finished. Woohoo! I need 4 bricks. I mean full bricks. Please wait a second or come with me. No. It was raining here some time ago. Now it's completely blue sky. I'm using these bricks. 2 weeks ago I have demolished some pillars here because of, I don't know the name, the shield of this barn. And these are old bricks which I'm using right now for new supporting pillars. So I'm trying to recycle as much as possible because it's cheaper and I like to find some new life for old material, because old material is not trash, it's still the material. You can still use it. There is a lot of energy in this material from the past. So I'm going to bring this up. I need to put these 4 bricks here to support the beam, as I did here and there and there. Not sure if you can see something. Yes. One here, one here. Shit. Okay, so 4th pillar is ready. I will make it nicer. I'm making here this edge from concrete to fix this beam in its position. Everything will be hidden, so okay. So another part of this reconstruction is ready. It's going to be really huge space here on top in 2nd floor. This was quite hard work today, but the beam is in its position, including 4 pillars supporting it. So I'm very happy and satisfied. The floor is much stronger. Also, this beam is now supported with this one. Next time I will add probably beam here, but it will be much easier because it's not so long. Much better. 1, 2, 3 and 4. I used just old beam and old bricks. That's how I built here, and of course new concrete. So that's it for today, and see you next time. Thank you. See you. Bye.